Hi, this is Jonathan from Entry Systems Garage Doors and Gates located in Laguna Hills, California. We've been serving South Orange County since 1972, and one of the most common questions we get asked is, when should I replace my door and how do I pick it out? And so the reason why you might want to replace your garage door is if you feel like your home is starting to look a little outdated, or maybe your garage door is looking outdated, and what looked good maybe 10 years ago maybe just doesn't look right anymore. You may also want to replace your garage door if you hit it with your car on accident. Maybe there's some dings or dents, maybe the paint is peeling or cracked, and so those are reasons to change your door. And so there's 8 simple questions to help you pick out your new garage door that we're going to cover right now and go over in some following videos afterwards. But so picking out a garage door, it doesn't need to be confusing. It doesn't need to be complicated. So let's simplify it. These are the factors that you need to consider. First question is, how many doors do you have? Do you have 1, 2, 3? How wide and tall are your doors? A 2-car and a single-car garage is typically enough to get a ballpark quote, and you can leave the measurements to the professionals. What design goes best with your home? What look are you trying to achieve? What color would you like your door to be? What goes best with your home? What will blend in or what will really pop? What type of insulation or construction fits your needs? Is it just a garage for you, or are you working and spending time in there and want to keep it temperature controlled? Is your household able to stay away from the door so it doesn't need to be so heavy duty? Maybe it could be light duty. Do you want it to be as quiet as possible, or is that not important to you? Also, do you want windows for natural light or to add more character to your home? What design goes best with your home? Are you okay with clear glass? That's what it comes with, or would you like a little bit more privacy and go with a specialty glass? If your design looks good with decorative hardware, would you like to put some decoration on your door? Or which is like an embellishment, it might make it look a little more rustic. Finally, is your garage door opener compatible with your new garage door? Because in California, we have a battery backup law that makes it so you have to replace it. So these are the 8 simple questions we'll break down in the following videos. Thanks.